Welcome everybody. Pretty much got that from Adam Savage's clip of him making his clapper. So what I've done here is made a real questionable version of that. This is my clapper. You guys saw it. This is how we made it. Me and my pops, we sat around and I thought this could be a good project for us, and we made it so. A special hinge you will see later out of these brackets, these 90-degree brackets. As you saw, we cut them and now we are filing them. My pop's doing a lot of the help here. He just really wanted to do something with me. I wanted to do something with him, and this was a good example of a good project. So we really used a lot of scrap wood that I had around the house. And bolts, these extra long bolts. We certainly didn't need extra long bolts, but you know, you use what you can, you use what you have. This clapper turned out to be very inexpensive. So we cut the bolts off, now we're filing them down. You will see on the back side the bolts are cut to a level. It's functional. They're stuck on there. That's the loosey-goosey bolt that we need to kind of be attached yet be loose enough to slam down. Here I am cutting more of it just to get the angles, any of the sharp angles off. We don't need to cut myself when using this. Now I had a piece of acrylic, so we did this, cut it out, made a simple version that would fit around that hinge, the homemade hinge. My pop's getting some paint down on it. We have multiple coats of paint, and what you will not see in this video is me drawing the lines out, the scene, the take, the location, all of those things here. So I used a marker for all of that. We're just really enjoying the sunshine, having a good old time. And I think that's really what projects are all about, especially around here. I just like to spend time doing them. If you're familiar with my painting show over on Dalton Gallery, link should be, I'll put one in the description for sure. If you're here on Dalton Gallery, you know what it's all about. Having a lot of fun here. Yeah, you can tell where I get it. He is fascinated. He's ready. He's like, yes, this is good. So I built a brand, designed a brand. Let me see if I can get you guys. Boom, there's the big one. And this little one is what we use on the side of this. So right now I'm heating it up. Right now I'm branding, and when we do a little painting, you can see there on the bottom, it looks like that. Now I'm doing that brand on all of my frames. I'm going to be framing each one of my canvases inside the art gallery, and I'm going to brand each one so that everyone knows I did them. Don't know if that's cool or not. Let me know in the comments. Is that cool? So we're spending good time sanding it down, getting some areas. I've attached the acrylic to the wood, and now we're just filing the acrylic down to the side of the wood to keep it a smooth edge, a natural feel to it, no jagged edges. And that is pretty much finished clapper. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. I appreciate my patrons. You guys are great. If it weren't for you, I couldn't do little simple projects like this and not worry about things. So thank you once again, and we will see you on